Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is PREET. Welcome to my channel. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be creating this beautiful blue smoky eye look. Now I've specially created this look for my Indian outfit. If you want, you can create this look for your Western outfit, and you can wear this look for a party, for a wedding, or for any particular event where you need your eyes to be little bold, or you want to create a blue smoky eye look. Now this is a very easy tutorial. You will be able to learn this tutorial very quickly, and it's very easy to create this blue smoky eye looks. So without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you guys how I created this tutorial. Now before moving forward, make sure please you guys subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media handles. The direct links are mentioned down below, and whatever the products I would be using in this tutorial, the detail with the buyout links is mentioned down below in the description. So make sure you guys check out the description for all the product details. Now without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you guys how I created this look. I've already done my skin preparation. I have applied moisturizer. After that, I've applied a primer. Now I have an oily skin, that's why I have used a matte primer on my T-zone area. I'm using this foundation from Maybelline. It's a super stay foundation. It's a matte foundation, so dry skin people do not ever buy this foundation. This foundation is perfect for the people who have oily skin, normal skin, or combination skin. This is a very lightweight foundation. You can also use this foundation for your everyday looks. It gives a little medium coverage, but it does not give a full coverage, so it's a perfect foundation for your everyday looks. Now using a brush, I have evenly applied it on my face and on my neck area. For the concealer, I'm using a CoverGirl concealer. This is a thick concealer, and I'm using 2 shades lighter from my skin tone, applying it under my eyes and on the areas where there's decolorization and pigmentation. And with the help of a beauty blender, which is a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend it out very nicely. Now make sure you are just dabbing the beauty blender and you are not dragging your beauty blender. Loose powder, I am using Coty's Airspun loose powder. It's a very lightweight loose powder, and I am using a lighter shade in this to give a high coverage under my eyes and on the areas where I have decolorization or pigmentation. For the contour, I am using an infallible contour foundation stick from L'Oreal Paris, applying it on the high points of my cheeks, on my jawline, nose, and also on my lip area. And then using a contour brush, I will be blending out this contour and making sure that my brush, the movement of my brush is outwards so that I can lift up my face. Now once that is done, I'm going to be using a blush. So for blush, I am using today is from Physician Formula, applying it on the apple of my cheeks and also applying a little bit on my chin, because I really like when my chin is little highlighted. For the highlighter, I am using my all-time favorite highlighter from Becca Cosmetics in Champagne Pop, applying it on the apple of my cheeks, little bit on my nose bridge, forehead. And for setting up my makeup, I am using a matte setting spray from NYX Cosmetics. For my eye makeup, the palette which I'm using today is a James Charles palette X Morphe brushes. I'm using this black shade first of all, applying it on my eyelid. Now not taking too much, just taking very little bit quantity, applying it on my eyelid. Now why I'm doing this, because I am creating a smoky eye look, and the blue color which I will be applying later, I want that color to be highlighted and a little popped up. That's why I'm using a black shade underneath the blue color, evenly applying it on my eyelids. This color is going to be directly a dark blue color, or you can call it as a royal blue color. Using a flat shader brush, I will be applying it exactly on the spot where I've applied the black eyeshadow. Can you see how pigmented and how beautiful this color looks? And even this color is popping out more because of the black color underneath it. Now moving on to the third color which we would be using is this peachy orangish color, and we will be applying it on the curves of our blue color which we have applied to create that transition effect and to make our curves little highlighted. That's why we are using this color. And then using a small blending brush, we will be blending it out and mixing both the colors together so that it should create a kind of transition happening. Doing the same thing on the other side, but also make sure guys that you are not taking too much of quantity of this orangish peachish color which you're using. The quantity should be very less, and with a very gentle hands you should be mix both the colors, because you don't want to spoil your blue color which you have applied. So your hand movement should be very gentle. Now moving on to the eyeliner, I'm using an Inklot eyeliner, which is a world famous eyeliner. Let me tell you guys, I just love this eyeliner. The pigmentation, the payoff, like the color payoff, it's very amazing. For the waterline, I am using a NYX pencil in the shade deep blue, applying it on my waterline. Using a pencil brush, I am going to smoke it out. Now because we are creating a smoky eye look, that's why we are smoking our waterline as well. If you use a pencil brush and try to smoke out your, the color which you have applied on the lower lash line, what it actually does is it does not make your eye look like uneven. Now by smoking it out, the payoff is also really nice and it gives a kind of like a smoky effect. That's why I always love using pencil brushes after applying any color on my waterline. So this is a trick, must try it out. Even if you're applying a simple kajal, you should do that because it's going to give a little smoky effect, and also your color will look very bold and very beautifully blended out. That's why I like doing that. Now to curl my eyelashes, I'm using a Real Techniques eyelash curler. For mascara today, I'm using a Lily Lashes eye mascara. A very nice mascara, very beginner friendly, and the pigmentation is really good. Applying it on both of my eyelashes. And then for the fake eyelashes today, I'm using my all-time favorite Flutter eyelashes from Black Label. I forgot to mention that which lipstick I applied, so I'm mentioning it now. I've used an interview lipstick from Huda Beauty and then curled my hair, added some jewelry, and that's my final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was super fun, very easy. The steps were easy. In case you have any questions, please make sure you comment down below and do let me know. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, I'm saying the jewelry which I'm saying, it's sponsored by a brand, and all the details are mentioned down below for the products, for the jewelry, and the buyout links are also mentioned. In case you're interested, you can go ahead and click on them and you can buy them out. And also, before moving forward, I would like to tell you I have an oily skin, so all the products which are used in this makeup tutorial are related to the oily skin type people. But if you have a different skin type and you have any skincare related questions or for product related questions, make sure you comment down below. I will be more than happy to answer your questions and suggest you. Now that was all about today's tutorial, you guys. I'm going to catch you guys super soon, but please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on all my social media handles. Till then, take care, stay safe, and I love you guys so much. Bye.